Hey everyone, welcome back to the WordCraft Hub. Today we have a super useful topic for you: how to talk about news in English.
Yes, news is everywhere, on TV, on your phone, on social media, and knowing how to talk about news in English helps you sound more natural and confident.
So stay with us till the end because we'll teach you useful phrases, simple vocabulary, and a real conversation about news.
And before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the WordCraft Hub. All right, let's begin.
Okay, let's start with some very simple phrases you can use. Did you hear the news?
I saw this on TV.
I read about it online.
According to the news,
There was a report about.
these sentences are easy and you can use them every day.
Hey Pooja, did you hear the news today?
No, what happened?
I saw a report on TV. The weather is changing fast. Heavy rain is coming.
Really? That sounds serious.
Yes, they said we should stay safe and avoid long travel.
Good to know. I'll carry an umbrella then.
Same here. And guess what? There's big sports news too.
Oh, tell me.
Our city team won yesterday.
Wow, I didn't know that.
I read it online this morning.
See, talking about news is easy if you know simple phrases. Let's quickly learn some vocabulary from our conversation. Report. Information shared on TV, radio, or online. According to the news says this. Weather update. News about the weather. Headline. The big news of the day.
Repeat after us to practice. Report.
Headline.
Weather update.
According to the news. Here are some easy ways to ask someone about the news. Did you watch the news today? What's happening in the news? Any big news today? What did you hear on the news?
Simple, right? Just copy these sentences and use them with your friends or family.
Let's practice with one more small dialogue.
Did you watch the news today?
Yes, I saw something interesting.
What was it about?
There was a story about a new park opening in the city.
Wow, that's great.
Yes, they also talked about today's weather.
Anything else?
Not much, but the sports news was exciting.
See, very simple. You can easily talk about news using short sentences.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to the WordCraft Hub.
Yes, we make English simple, fun, and easy for everyone. See you in the next video where we learn something exciting.
Bye.